Look at that. Take a closer look. Looks like that plane passes the sun very close. And now it's gonna hit that borderline right there. This is a beautiful view. Guys, you need to share this one. Like this one. Remember to subscribe too. Okay, let's go closer. This is a beautiful view. Wow. Wow. There it is. Share this one, guys.